Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're tackling how to fix your PC screen when it's upside down, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Step 1. To begin correcting the upside down screen orientation, type orientation into the Windows search bar. When changed, the orientation of the display appears in the search results. Double-click on it or click Open. Step 2. This action will bring up the Display Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Display Orientation. Step 3. In the Display Orientation section, you can select Landscape to restore the normal orientation of your screen. Way 2. Alternatively, to quickly fix an upside-down screen, press Ctrl plus Alternate plus up arrow simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut will rotate your screen back to its standard position. If you need to rotate it sideways, use the left and right arrows instead of the up and down arrows. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has helped you resolve the upside-down screen issue on your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting guides and tech insights.